Today, we are going to be making a delicious harvest punch. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. So the base of this punch is apple cider, and we are going to be using half a gallon of apple cider or 64 fluid ounces. So I'm just gonna give this a bit of a shake, and then we can add all of this to our punch bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding in some ginger beer just to add some flavor to it. And these are a little over 6-ounce bottles, so I'm going to be using 4 of them. I think these are minis. You can usually get them in 12-ounce bottles, and you can just use 2. But as I got little mini ones, I'm gonna add in 4. And this adds a nice little bit of carbonization to our drink, a little bubbly. But if you are going to be serving this drink later, I recommend not adding in your ginger beer and your champagne until your guests arrive, because you don't want your drink to go flat. Next, for a little pop of citrus, I'm going to add in the juice of 1 lemon. Whoa. And I recommend not doing that. Next, to make our drink a little boozy, I just have some vodka, and you can add anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of vodka to your drink. It just really depends on how boozy you want it to be. Next, I'm going to be adding in this beautiful ice mold. You can just use a bundt pan to make it, and I just layered in some cranberries, rosemary, oranges. You can really get creative with it. Some anise stars. And I love using an ice mold rather than just ice because it melts slower, so it doesn't dilute your drink. And then around my ice mold, I'm going to layer in some of my sliced apples as well as my oranges. And as these are fairly large cinnamon sticks, I'm just gonna break them in half. And as these sit in the drink, it'll add a little bit more flavor to it. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to be adding in 1 bottle of champagne just to add a little bubbliness, and it also sweetens your drink a little bit. And if your punch is ever running low, what I like to do is just open another bottle of champagne and pour it in because it stretches it, and you still get all that delicious flavor. Now, doesn't this look absolutely beautiful? And it was so quick and so easy to make. And now I just filled my glass up with some ice, and we can pour ourselves a drink. And if you know me, my favorite part of any video is getting to taste our creation. So now it's time. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!